Okay, my name is Nathan Mnyamba. I'm a lecturer at Kuko, that is Kibati Mkolowa University College. We have this system, solar water extraction system, which will help us to boil water, which we can use for drinking. We know that the water which is not boiled is contaminated with the microorganisms. So at this system, the water is boiled, and then we get safe water, which can be drank by our students and all other workers here at the university. So the system works whereby the water is coming from this small tank there, over there, and then the water comes by gravity to the system where it is boiled, and then from the system there is a heat exchanger whereby the water which is coming from the small tank there is preheated by the water which is coming from the hot water which is coming from the system, and then the boiled water which is cooled now is going to the big tank for storage, and therefore people can take water from the black tank there. Thank you.